Concrete, mortar, stone, drywall, fiberglass. They all produce dust, dangerous dust, costly dust, time-consuming dust. And it all has to be cleaned up, and a normal shop vacuum just doesn't cut it. You need a vacuum specifically designed to capture the extra fine dust created by these materials. You need the wet-dry vacuum from Dustless Technologies. Now that was 60 pounds of very fine concrete dust. Watch this. No dust on the primary and secondary filters. The inside of the canister is clean. That puff of dust is from the ground, not the bag. This is just the beginning of a very interesting story. Did you see the shop vacuum cough dust when it started? Now that's a problem. So is cleaning the filter. Brand new, this vacuum doesn't do much better. You wouldn't want to open this indoors to clean the filter. And the new vacuum coughs dust too. The Dustless wet-dry vacuum has a patented filter system featuring a primary and secondary filter, both made out of machine washable fabric. An agitator rod lets you clean the outer primary filter without opening the unit. The micro pre-filter bag is optional and delivers many advantages. To install it, simply fit it over the intake port, making sure it snaps completely in place, and close the unit. It's oversized intentionally, so when it's time to empty the vacuum, there's still 40% of the bag's capacity to ensure optimum airflow. Other vacuums CFM drop off after collecting only a few pounds of dust. The wet-dry vacuum from Dustless Technologies maintains optimum CFM with as much as 30 pounds of dust in the bag. An adhesive seal helps you keep the job site even cleaner. The micro pre-filter also retains its strength when wet. Here you see how the vacuum functions when a micro pre-filter is not used. The water hits the wall and falls into the base of the canister. Cycloning water vapor is captured on the ridges of these yellow bars and drains down away from the filters. A check ball prevents water from rising up to the filters and the motor. Unlike other systems, the wet-dry vacuum from Dustless Technologies enables you to go from wet to dry vacuuming without changing the filters. Note the primary and secondary filters are dry and clean. No special effects here. Our system also comes with a high-quality floor tool that's ideal for slurry pickup. The hose can be connected to the drain port so water and slurry can be released up to 12 feet away. The hose is very durable, and if it's ever damaged, repairs are fast and easy to make. A certified Hepa version of our vacuum is also available. A lot of companies claim to have a Hepa vacuum, but they may not be certified. If OSHA walks onto your job site and your Hepa vacuum is not certified, they'll shut you down. The wet-dry vacuum from Dustless Technologies is certified. We recommend contractors use a micro pre-filter in our Hepa vacuum to extend the life of the more expensive Hepa filter. The micro pre-filter captures particles down to 0.5 microns. Now that's remarkably close to the Hepa filter that captures particles down to 0.3 microns. Our floor tool features a brush skirt and wheels for improved performance. It's far superior to using a broom. The wet-dry vacuum comes with a full set of tools that conveniently store right on the unit. Put a dustless wet-dry vacuum to work for you today.